What if by just taking a blue pill, your IQ would go up 100 points? What if you could get 10 master's degrees in areas like data science, and you could work 24/7 at a blinding fast pace? That's the new world you're entering into right now. My name is Flint McGlaughlin. 30 years ago, I founded a research lab. We studied conversion psychology. Our goal was to understand the answer to a single question. Why do people say yes? But not just any yes. It's the yes that leads to transformation. It's the yes that changes everything. That yes is critical in philosophy and theology, but also in commerce. And today, you're looking at an opportunity to take all of that research, 10,000 experiments, and layer them right on top of the most powerful thinking engines in the history of the planet. This is a moment where you can see remarkable new results. And you don't have to take anyone's word for it. You can stop this video and just start the workflow that is on this page, and you will see a battery of expert agents. Our agents are broken into 3 categories: apps, experts, and libraries. We released our research cohort program 210 days before ChatGPT. I say this to say it's not some GPT knockoff. Every major LLM, at present there are 27 of them, are built into the core of this platform. You can switch back and forth. With one subscription to the platform, you can have all of them. But that's not the real power. Power is taking that raw intelligence and powering it with 10,000 experiments in a UX that is dynamic and that enables you to instantly create your own experts, apps, libraries, your own agents, your own workflows at speed. Now, I'm only going to take a moment to explain the power of that. You can easily see it for yourself by just entering that workflow. But let's look at one picture to help understand what will happen as you're enabling your own business through that workflow. This is a simple diagram that gives you a picture of what's under the hood. First, at the bottom is the LLM set. The word is set because, as I say, there are 27. We treat these like an Intel chip. You just change the chip out if you'd like. But on top of that chip is the real software applications, the goal-focused algorithm output of 10,000 experiments, a specialized UX that has the only sort of agent solution like this in the world. Most importantly, engineering consoles that allow you with no code to create your own experts, apps, and libraries. You can explore the value in layers and levels, but the bottom line is once you harness this value, it is transformative. For the first time, you can do more, you can do better, and you can do faster simultaneously. This is the way to maximize your capabilities and enter into a new world. I live in the backcountry of Montana. I'm at my ranch right now, but we run an operation with people around the world who are contributing and building. We've been a family of brands for more than 30 years, marketing Sherpa, marketing experiments in the MecLabs Institute. All of this is being brought to bear into a UX that enables you to take your personal value proposition, your experience, power it with AI, and release into the world new streams of value. You can use this platform to grow faster. I'm expecting someone to quickly pass $10 million in revenue with one assistant and just the platform. Maybe you're the first. But today, I invite you to explore more. And the easiest way is to start a workflow. The rest you can see on your own. I'll just hit the high points quickly. These are experts that can be brought to bear on your problem. Remember, they're not some easy sort of prompt from a GPT. Event strategist was trained on a library that drove thousands of ticket sales using the MecLabs psychology. Our group worked with the earliest brands in the earliest days of the internet. We helped build the New York Times entire digital marketing of their digital product set. We worked with Verizon and Royal Bank of Canada and Bank of America and Matricon and Expedia. I'm not name dropping. I'm trying to make this point. The learnings from our generalized discoveries have been produced in heuristics. Those heuristics are being embedded into the expertise of these agents. You can also create an app with no code on the fly. It's fast, it's powerful. You can access libraries. Look at this team of experts you can look to. Let's take the one that's up right now, Marketing Genius. If I click here, I can learn about the Marketing Genius. This is what this expert can do. These are unique strengths. This is the heuristic powering a lot of the methodology, use cases, data sets, and all the different LLMs that you can use it with. This is just one of many experts that are standing by to help you. And if you're in a hurry to get the perfect headline, we stand up our library of experiments and all of our training. You can actually take the training in real time right here as you go. Or you can decide to get started right away and follow a simple protocol that will produce the most powerful headlines you could ever write. But that's not all. Let's go back to the home piece. You can also build a landing page on the fly, powered by your interactions with the experts that have taken blueprints from our experiments, embedded them with our 8 macros architecture to allow you to create the most compelling landing pages anywhere. In addition, with this tool, in seconds, you can create a lead generation AI agent that will do better at driving leads than someone you could hire. And it's not a chatbot. You can create apps for that, put it as a dashboard device right on your website. Some people are replacing their entire website with it. Or you can pick a problem-solving workflow like the one at the top of this page and enter into that workflow and get a result. By the way, if you wonder how this is all powered, you just go here and you can see the psychology and the training, and you can take it as you go. For instance, this is a session on developing your customer first objective, and that can be brought into the work you're doing to create a powerful landing page or a powerful offer. More, there's an entire guild that we formed before you ever heard of GPT, of researchers and marketers and entrepreneurs who are discovering the way forward and sharing it. That's all part of being in this community and using this platform. Finally, if you're really curious, you can get into the research that is powering all of this and see why it is so different. But you can skip the words. You can start a workflow, you can earn a result, and you can see for yourself. This is your invitation to come and try. We'll do our best to help you harness this power and reach new levels.